Okay, our next task is looking at budgets. So in this case, you're going to be running across multiple sheets and keeping track of different things. All right, to get started. So we're going to look at earnings, tax, expenses, savings, keeping track of your money, and saving up for a holiday account. Okay, there are extensive extension stuff, but that will do for now. So what you can see here, first of all, is I've set up 4 different sheets. One for our overall money, one for income, one for expenses, and one for savings. Alright, so let's start with income first. So here I put in how much I'm earning per week. I've run a tax thing over here to calculate how much tax we should be paying. So currently our tax is $18,000. If you earn $18,000 or less, then you don't pay any tax. If you earn more than that, up to about $50,000, and you can look up the tax thresholds online if you want yourself. But basically, if you're earning $18,000 or more, then you have to pay 20 cents on the dollar for every dollar you earn above $18,000. So what we do is start off. We need to work out how much $18,000 works out to be per week. Now, I can work that out just by calculator. Equals 18,000 divided by 52 weeks. Oops, yep, 346. However, what happens if the tax changes? So instead, we're just going to use our formula up here. So equals this divided by 52. 346. So that means that if we're earning more than $346, we have to pay 20 cents on the dollar. So what I've done is we need to write down a statement here. So our statement is equals if bracket this here, whatever money this is greater than this, comma. If it is greater, then we have to do bracket this, take away this, all right, so whatever that is, times by 0.20, which is 20 cents on the dollar. Let's just put that into brackets again. If it's not, then we put nothing. End bracket. Okay, so this now means that if we're earning, let's say we earn $300 per week, whoops, then we shouldn't pay any tax. If we're earning $400, then I have to pay $10 in tax. So here I need to do this, take away this. So equals how much money it is, take away how much tax I have to pay. Now let's have a look. Now notice that this is coming up with a problem. Why our problem is how on this error seems strange. Oh, okay, fair enough. So at the moment I want this to be a number. Oh, number. I want this to be a number as well. Number and be dollar sign. And this one I want to be a number, dollar sign as well. Now, oh, okay. Can't be blank. It has to be not blank. It has to be 0. No, it'll work. It could be $0. Okay, so you can't put nothing because you can't like a blank square because otherwise, yeah, because actually we're saying this is nothing. I have to be 300. Right, if I earn $400, I pay $10. So this is how much I make per week. So this is our important thing. All right. So on our overall sheet, total income per week, I need to actually pull that information from this sheet. So not just on one sheet, but a different sheet. So what we do is we go equals, other sheet, click on that, right, and you see equals income exclamation mark. So that's the name of the sheet, C7. Enter. Okay. Expenses, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go out and find out what your rent, like different expenses are going to be. Right, how much rent do you think you're going to be paying? And are you paying per fortnight, per week, or per month, or whatever? Now, this expense may be different. Some people are paying, might be in a share house, and they have to pay $300 per fortnight. Okay. Food might be $80. Bus, it might be $15 per week. Entertainment, depends how much you like your entertainment, $60 per week. And cleaning, well, it's actually, I'm paying $40 per month. Okay. Now the problem is we need everything per week. So if it's per fortnight, I have to go equals this divided by 2 to change from a fortnight to a week. Per week can stay the same, so it just equals this. Same for the next one. Same for the next one. And if it's per month, it equals this divided by 4. Now what we're going to do is add them all up. So we go equals sum bracket all this. So $315 per week. So my expenses are $315 per week. So we have to pull this information as well. So for overall, expenses equals expenses, this cell. Okay. Overall money per week. So here, basically, take this, right? So I want equals income, take away expenses, and we get $74. Right, I only earn $74. So that's including the fact that I've got some entertainment budgeted in, and we can go and change that now. You know what? That's not enough, right? I actually want to be getting at least $80 in savings. So if I can drop this down to $50 entertainment per week, okay, I'm up to $80 now. So I've saved a little bit of money. So everything is linked and sorted. My money I'm saving per week, well, based on this, I'm going to try and save $80 per week. Okay, now I'm going to go to my savings. So my savings, I'm pulling now from the other one. So I go equals what my savings are going to be. Okay, my holiday, I want to go on a holiday. I want to put in today's date. So here we go, equals date now. Oops, my apologies, equals now. Okay. And the holiday I'm planning on going on is in is in August this month, this year. Okay. Now this is it's doing first, take the second, right? Which is number of days, I think. Hang on, I'm not sure. I believe so, yes. So this is equal to E3 as a number, E3 as a number. So yes, days. Right, so it's 125 days. I now need to divide that by 7. So I'm going to change this, go to this, and go to this. Actually, that doesn't really matter. So that equals this divided by 7. Okay. And make that a whole number. Check it here as well and make it a whole number, so we can go out to more decimal points or less decimal points if we want, or we could use the integer, so or round or something like that. But that's 18 weeks. Okay, here my holiday is good. I actually expect my holiday to be $1,200. Okay, so now I want to do equals my holiday divided by how much I'm saving up per week. Right. Now this says it's going to take 15 weeks to save up the money. I have 18 weeks into holiday. Looks like I'm good to go. If we go back to our expenses though, put this back up to 60. My expenses is $315. I only have $74, so I can only put $70 away. Okay, and my savings is going to be 70. All right, 17 weeks, 8. Oh, I'm still under, right? So that means that yes, it's okay for me to put up to be $60. All right, so that's one way of calculating a budget for going on holiday. I'm not going to go through any more advanced features than that. And good luck.